Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'll start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you're watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it'll help my channel grow as well. And also leave me comments please, and I always answer my comments. If you do subscribe, please watch at least 3 of my videos because YouTube will take your subscription away unless you watch at least 3 videos and make comments, because they think you're a robot account and it just messes everything up on YouTube. So today we're taking a look at these coaches that I got from Hattons, and they only cost £19 each, which is a real steal for brand new coaches. And this first one we're looking at is R4006 Ballast Cleaning Staff Mk1 Corridor second class coach, and its numbers DB 975805. It comes with this little bag that's got these false couplings in there that you can fit if you really want to. Right, we'll take a look at these coaches. Now these are prime candidates to be weathered, because when they're cleaning the ballast, the mess goes everywhere. You can also paint up the bogies and the springs. You can read all the writing on these as well. Yeah, I'll be weathering these up, making them look absolutely manky. As you can see, it's not got sprung buffers and all the details are moulded on. But for £19 for a brand new coach, not second hand, brand new, and they're new stock as well. You can tell that by the Hornby code. Also be fitting some men in these with orange jackets on, so when they get on the line they don't get run over by the trains. It's got name pockets, small ones, small decoupling there, metal wheels, and underframe detail, which also will be weathered up. Right, I'll get this put on the track and get the next one out. This is my next coach, and its Hornby numbers are R4007. Again, Ballast Cleaning Staff, Mk1 Corridor second class. The coach numbers DB 975802. And this also comes with the dummy couplers there. This has got slight different markings on it compared with the one I just shown you. And it's Depots York. See, you can read all the writing on here. Yeah, hopefully these will look quite smart when I've weathered them up. With loads of track grime. Danger propane, no naked lights. That's what that says there. What I'll do after I've weathered them up, I'll then do another video showing you what they're like. But it's going to be down the line, as they say. I've got other things I have to do before I do this weathering. But I will get it done to show you all. Right, I'll put this on the line and get the third one out. And this is the third coach that I got. Again, comes with these dummy couplings. This one, the Hornby number is R4008. So that's 06, 07 and 08 I've got. And this one again is Ballast Cleaning Staff, Mk1 Corridor second class. And its number's DB 975804. And again, it's slightly different in its livery application. I have to switch the flash off there. To travel with ballast cleaner. That's a messing coach. I say for £19 each, you can't get good second hand for that kind of price, let alone brand new. And not just brand new, it's new stock as well. Right, I'll get this one on the track and then show you all three together. And that's all the three coaches together there. So it'll make a decent rake to have behind an engineering train. I say once they're weathered up, they should look quite smart. So that's a good project for me to do, getting these all weathered up. Okay, I'll say bye for now, and everyone take care, and hope to see you in my next video. I say if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and do watch my other videos, and please comment. Like I say, YouTube will take the subscription away otherwise, because they'll think you're just a robot account. So until my next video, I'll say bye for now, and everyone take care. Bye.